Your curve trace parameters have been set, and you click the Run button. The progress window shows you the pin being measured and the total number of pins in the test. Typically, this goes by very fast, but for devices closer to 1,000 pins, it may take some time to make all the measurements. When the measurements have been completed, you will see the results in the main curve plot area. You'll see all the curves on the X and Y axis, with values at the graticules along the edges. In the lower right corner is the execution test time. Notice the small dots on the curves. These dots are actually measurement points used in the test. The CurveMaster interpolates between those dots to draw the curves, using standard interpolation algorithms. If you want to quickly see exact values, simply hover the mouse over one of those points and an information box appears. It displays the system channel, the pin name and .pin number, and then the force value and the actual measured value. Of course, you may have many pins, and so many curves are displayed on the screen. How do we manage the display? In the Pin Display panel, all of your pins will be listed. Notice that the display of some of these pins is disabled, like channels 3A and 5A. This means they are hidden on the main plot display area, even though the curve trace was run on them. You can toggle the display of any pin by simply clicking on the button, or you can use the context menu using the right mouse button. This menu can be used to select all the pins for the display, deselect all the pins and hide them, or invert the selection. When you have hundreds of pins but only want to see a few, you can first deselect all the pins and then select only the pins you are interested in. Each pin is identified by the system channel, the pin name, and the .pin number. Note that each channel has a background color, and the color is slightly different for each channel. The colors correspond to the individual curve trace colors. In this case, the curve for channel 4A, pin Q3, will be displayed in pink. If you want to change a pin's color, just double-click on the pin button and choose a new color. This concludes the Curve Plot Run video.